Welcome to Anne Wonders channel, and we are in Miskolc, Hungary, but we are visiting one of the most unknown districts of Miskolc. Let's face the truth, this district was not visited by local tourists yet. So exclusively for Anne Wonders, we are going to explore the region where mostly people are sleeping. I am joking in this way because this is the region of private houses. People living here, coming after work, they are having dinners, barbecues in summer, and relaxing with a cup of coffee after rain. You know, that moment when you try to step over a puddle, but your shoes make the decision for you. Yep, that's Szirma's way of saying, welcome traveler, don't fight it, just enjoy the splash. Szirma is mostly private homes, each one with its own personality. Some are colorful, some modest, and some say, yes, I am still under construction since 2003. After the rain, they all look like they've been polished for a photo shoot. Walking here after rain feels like stepping into a calm village, far away from city noise. No traffic jams, no stress, just you, the puddles. So that's Szirma, simple, quiet, and freshly perfumed by the rain. Not that kind of place you will find on a tourist brochure, but definitely the kind of place you'll remember. Sometimes the best journeys aren't about monuments, they are about puddles. See you in the next walk. Thank you for your support. And stay tuned with Anne Wonders, will be more interesting. Love you all. Bye. Take care.